G'day, I'm Robin from Equip2, and in this video we're going to talk about the safety systems on an R3H. On the R3H we have multiple safety systems. The first safety system is our emergency stop system. The emergency stop system has emergency buttons located around the machine, and if they are pressed it will shut the machine down and shut its process down. Locations of the emergency stop buttons are on the right hand side on the big door, another one underneath our control panel, underneath on the frame on the after screen, at the bottom of the return belt, on the left hand side of the machine, and there is also a button on the bottom of our remote. Now this is not an actual e-stop, it turns the remote on and off. But while in tracking mode, if this button is pressed, it will shut the machine down. The other safety system that the Keestrack R3H has is a key system. Now these keys are needed to be able to open, for example, the crusher box and certain doors. And you need to remove your A key from your master switch, removing that, inserting into our A panel to be able to remove our B key. Since the A key is removed, it means that no rotor function can happen while this A key has been removed. So now that our A key is removed from our control panel, we can see here our key is red, and that means that the A key has been removed. So the A key is removed from the main panel. We can still see that due to the fact the key is red. Our clutch is now green, meaning it's engaged, and because the key is red, if we try to start the machine it will not start. And that is the safety functions on the Keestrack R3H.